we're going to answer this question before us, which is asking us to evaluate the exact values for the following. And we've been given cos of 5 pi on 6. Okay, so how are we going to approach this? And again, this is just the way I approach it. There are different ways. I would begin by breaking up this 5 pi on 6 into 6 pi on 6 minus pi on 6. Now, I know that 6 pi on 6 is the same as just pi. So this is pi minus pi on 6. So that means I am in my second quadrant because it's pi minus an angle. I'm in my second quadrant, and I know that in my second quadrant, cos is negative. So that means what my answer is going to be is negative cos of pi on 6. Okay, and now once I've got this, it's pretty easy because I know that cos of pi on 6 is the square root of 3 on 2, and then I simply put a minus out the front. And just like that, there is my answer. I have just answered the question. There it is. Now, if you're struggling to figure out what cos pi on 6 is, what you could do is draw for yourself the special triangle. And of course, you wouldn't have to draw it for yourself each time. You might have just drawn it once at the very beginning of the test, and you can just refer back to it again and again. So that means this is pi on 6, this is pi on 3, this is the square root of 3, this is 2, and this is 1. So if I'm asked to find cos of, wait for it, pi on 6, that is adjacent over hypotenuse, so square root of 3 on 2. So that's how you can use your special triangle to generate your exact value. Then you just have to remember about the negative sign as well. Now, if you are doing these questions a different way, what you might be doing instead is really visualizing it. So you might be thinking, all right, here's my unit circle. I know that this is pi minus pi on 6. So there's pi here. I am here. Then you might be thinking, all right, C-A-S-T. So that means that in my second quadrant, cos is negative. So therefore, I'm just asking what is cos of pi, negative cos of pi on 6. Again, there are different ways of answering this question. You answer it the way that makes you comfortable. Perfect. I will see you in the next one.